Every day, online platforms face a huge flood of spam. How can we distinguish quality content from junk? Traditional keyword-based methods are no longer enough. A smarter approach is needed. This is SpamGuard, an intelligent moderator assistant that harnesses the power of vector search in Redis8 for instant content classification. In this video, I'll show you how it works from the inside, opening the black box of AI classification step by step. Let's start with the main feature. By clicking Load Latest Posts, we trigger a whole pipeline of processes for each article. Let's break it down using one post as an example. Step 1. Vectorization. Our fast API backend receives the post and extracts its essence, the title, description, and metadata like reading time and author reputation. Then, a pre-trained neural network, sentence transformer, converts this text into a digital fingerprint, a vector of 387 numbers. This is the mathematical embodiment of the post's meaning. Step 2. Search in Redis. This vector is sent to Redis. We don't ask, does the post contain the word money? We ask, find me the 9 most semantically similar posts from our entire knowledge base. Thanks to the ultra-fast HNSW index, Redis finds these 9 vector twins in milliseconds. Step 3. Voting. The system looks at the labels of these 9 neighbors. If the majority of them are spam, the new post is also classified as spam. The confidence depends on the unanimity of the neighbors. In this case, the post is similar to legitimate content. Let's look at the result. We see the verdict legitimate with 100% confidence, and the recommendation approve. But the most interesting part is in the details. The system explains its decision. The main reason is similar to legitimate posts, but it also adds heuristic indicators like low follower count if they apply. And here are those neighbors. We can see their titles and labels. Notice the score. This is the cosine distance. The lower it is, the more similar the posts are. A score close to 0 means an almost identical meaning. This is transparency in action. But what if we want to check a post that isn't in the feed? The manual check uses the exact same pipeline: vectorization, search in Redis, and voting. Let's test some obvious spam. As expected, a spam verdict with high confidence. The system works. But how did the system learn what spam is in the first place? Before the first run, we train it by building a knowledge base. This dashboard shows the results of the last training cycle. Let's look at the numbers. Accuracy is over 91%, meaning the model is almost always correct in its predictions. But more importantly, precision is almost 100%, meaning that when the system flags something as spam, it's almost never wrong. This is critical for not blocking good content. And finally, recall is 29%. This metric tells us that the model successfully finds and catches almost half of all the spam it encounters. This combination of high precision and solid recall creates a balanced and reliable assistant. By starting a new training, we initiate the process. A script downloads fresh posts, automatically labels them, adds our own dataset of spam examples, vectorizes each post, and loads these digital fingerprints into Redis. Now the system has an updated base for comparison. Redis8 SpamGuard is not just a black box. It's a transparent, fast, and scalable tool that turns the complex task of semantic analysis into an understandable and manageable process. It shows how modern databases like Redis are becoming the core for building next-generation intelligent systems. Thanks for watching.